If you missed it this past weekend, a lot of news surrounding Jason Anderson from before Daytona saying or being announced that he wasn't going to be racing due to ongoing health issues. And since then, it's gone downhill with the release of his domestic violence arrest from December. And subsequently, those charges have been dropped. Yes, that is a thing. There is going to be pictures of the arrest and also the dropped paperwork, whatever you want to call it, towards the end of this thing. So from there, they closed down their Instagrams, and we've had the news that he will be indefinitely stepping away from racing, that coming from HEP Motorsports. And now we have a quote from him saying, quote, "I want to speak directly about the recent situation. I take full responsibility for my actions, and I'm truly sorry for the hurt they've caused my wife and family. We're asking for privacy right now as my focus needs to be on my family. I'm stepping away indefinitely to give them my full attention and to work on being the husband and father they deserve." Now, I don't know what the legal term for this paperwork is, so I'm going to call it the charges drop paperwork for all intents and purposes. I'm going to put it on the screen here. You can see it for yourself. It says, quote, "The state of Florida is not filing charges in this matter due to insufficient admissible evidence due to lack of cooperating victim or witness." So I'm assuming his wife dropped the charges and they're going to try and work it out themselves. It is what it is. I mean, that is her right. That is her choice. And that is the victim's choice, or however you want to word it. This sucks. I mean, obviously, this is not a good situation for them, for him, for the team, for the sport, whatever you want to, any party involved in this, it's not a good thing. Now, hopefully, it is something they can work through. Something, if that's her choice, that's whatever. And obviously, there are two sides to both stories, or two sides to all stories, whatever you want to say. So, who knows the full side of this thing? I mean, obviously, I'm not going to try and get into the thought process or what actually happened behind the scenes. I don't know. Obviously, you have the statement right here saying, what the witness saw and so on and so forth. But it is what it is. I mean, obviously, indefinite, leave from racing. Is this going to be the last we see of him? Who knows? It could be whole season, could be his career done, could be, that's a if and or but hypothetical, no idea. But it is for the team. I mean, obviously there's a lot of money put into this for the, mechanic. What's he going to do now? There's a lot of just behind the scenes stuff that's got to go on now for them to figure out what they're doing. Are they filling in a rider? Who knows? It's obviously all up to them, all up to the team, all up to everybody that works for them to figure out what they want to do with this, and for Anderson and his wife and family and whatever, for them to deal with it in their own way. This is, their thing. From my own side of things, I'm just going to say, no matter what way it goes, women hitting the man hitting the woman, whatever, hitting your significant other is never okay. Doesn't matter what's going on. I mean, obviously, problems happen and things like that, but I'm just going to say the amount of comments that people make and are wholeheartedly stupid, and it's insane to me. But yeah, everybody has their own opinion on things, so you can have yours, and I can think you're wrong, or you can think I'm wrong. It is what it is, whatever. But that's it for now. Obviously, that's what we have. So, see you later.